Good afternoon. Thank you for calling Kogi Hotel Manila. This is Ivan from Pontis. How may I assist you today? Good afternoon. I like to reserve a room. Thank you, sir. May I have your full name, please? My name is Jan Zonyo. Thank you, Mr. Zonyo. Just to make sure I have correctly, may I confirm your spelling in that John your first name and Jonio for your last name? Yes, that's correct. May I know your preferred check-in and check-out date, sir? I check in on October 12th and I check out on October 14th. So that will be 2 nights. May I ask how many guests will be staying with you? There will be 2 of us. Thank you, sir. For October 12 to 14, we have different room categories available. Standard room at 3,200 per night, good for 2 person. Deluxe room at 4,500 per night at also for 2 person. Suite room at 7,200 per night for 3 person at right. Include complimentary breakfast, Wi-Fi as of hotel capacity. Which room would you prefer? I take the deluxe room. Great choice, sir. So that will be a deluxe room for two night, October 12 to 14 at 4,500 per night. Should be I confirm that for you. Yes, please confirm it. May I have your mobile phone number and email address so we can send the booking confirmation slip? My number is 0949391919 and my email is janzonyo@gmail.com. Thank you, sir. Just to verify, your mobile number is 0949391919 at your email is janzonyo@gmail.com. Is that correct? Yes, that's correct. To secure your reservation, we required 1 night deposit. You will settle via GCash number, bank deposit, BPI o VDO, major credit card, Visa, Mastercard. May I ask your preferred payment method? I use GCash. Perfect, sir. We will send official GCash details to your email and mobile. Please settle deposit within 24 hours. Once payment is received, we will email you the official confirmation, the deposit slip. Alright, I do that. Let me repeat your reservation detail, Mr. Zonyo. Guest name, Jan Zonyo. Check-in date, October 12, 2025. Check-out date, October 14, 2025. Number of night, 2. Room type, 1 deluxe room, 4,500 per night. Number of 2 guests. Inclusion, breakfast, and Wi-Fi. Contact number, 09493919. Email, janzonyo8@gmail.com. Payment method, GCash to be settled within 24 hours. Is everything correct, sir? Yes, everything is correct. Thank you very much, Mr. Zonyo. We look forward to welcome you on October 12th. On receive your deposit, we will send your official confirmation. If you have any official request, please don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for choosing Kogi Hotel Manila and have a pleasant day. Thank you. Have a good day too.